of phycomycetes and deuteromycetes. The members of phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitat, or they may be found on decaying wood in moist and damp places. In addition to this, they are also found as obligate parasites on plants. Phycomycetes undergo both asexual and sexual mode of reproduction. The asexual mode of reproduction is either by formation of zoospores or by formation of aplanospores. Zoospores are motile spores. They have got flagella. Since they have flagella, they are motile spores. Whereas aplanospores are non-motile spores. And the spores are formed inside a specific structure known as sporangium. In both the cases, you can observe aplanospores are also formed within the specialized structures known as sporangium, whereas zoospores are also formed within the specific structure known as zoosporangium. Members of phycomycetes also undergo sexual mode of reproduction. Sexual mode of reproduction is of gametangial type. So in gametangial type of fusion or sexual reproduction, two of the gametangia from two hyphae, they fuse together. These are the two gametangia. These two gametangia fuse together to form a structure called zygospores. Gametangia fuse together to form a structure known as zygospores. So zygospores are diploid structures which further germinates and undergoes meiosis to form haploid hyphae or haploid mycelium. This is the mode of sexual reproduction in case of some of the phycomycetes. You can observe here the life cycle of phycomycetes. Phycomycetes undergoes both asexual mode of reproduction as well as sexual mode of reproduction. Asexual mode of reproduction is mainly by production of spores or formation of spores within the sporangium, and sexual mode of reproduction is mainly by fusion of gametangia to form zygospores. Depending upon the nature of fusing gametes, three varieties are observed. They are isogamy, anisogamy and oogamy. Isogamy is a kind of fusion where there is fusion of two gametes that are similar in morphology. Remember that are similar only in morphology. Physiologically they are different, but morphologically they are similar. Such a fusion of gametes which are morphically similar is known as isogamy. In case of anisogamy, there is fusion of dissimilar gametes. Fusion of morphologically dissimilar gametes. The male gamete is active and motile, whereas female gamete is larger and less active. Male gamete is active, motile and smaller. Female gamete is larger and less active. So such a fusion of two morphologically dissimilar gametes is known as isogamy. One more type of fusion is known as oogamy. Oogamy is a type of gametic fusion where male gametes are small and motile, whereas female gametes are larger and non-motile. So such a fusion where there is fusion of small motile male gamete with large non-motile female gamete is known as. Some of the examples for phycomycetes: Rhizopus, which is commonly called as bread moth, Mucor albugo, which is the parasitic fungi mainly found on mustard.